Visit your parents or go to jail? A new law in China requires grown children to visit their parents or face prosecution. The law, dubbed the Elderly Rights Law, says family members who live away from their parents need to visit or send regards often.
The law was created because of rampant elderly neglect in China. Many of them depend on their children for financial support.
The kicker is that they might face jail time or heavy fines if they don't. And with some 200 million elderly in China, according to the government, certainly it's a reality for many people.
A writer for Bloomberg says this law doesn't come as a surprise for two reasons. The first, because for decades, China has mandated the number of children a family can have, saying indeed it's because of the success of the one-child policy that Chinese officials now feel the need to implement the new Visit the Elderly law. Hence the risk from the one-child policy. Without brothers and sisters to pick up the slack, all it takes is one unfilial child for the system to break down. The writer goes on to say the second reason is because government-provided assistance is limited, which is why seniors rely on their children for support. Unsurprisingly, the new law has drawn criticism, including regarding how it will be forced. The law fails to outline how often children need to visit, but BBC reports the law is meant to be, quote, an educational message. The South China Morning Post reports the law also doesn't specify a punishment for not visiting often enough. One user on Weibo, a social media site in China, says the intention is good, but the method is bad. It's not suitable to use laws to regulate moral issues. Morality is not something we can force. Projections show a third of China's population will be over the age of 60 by 2050. For Newsyam's Zach Toombs.